as is the American way, I kept putting off mowing until just before it started raining. And as a result, I was in a mad dash to get it done, and when a pretty large stick jumped out of nowhere, and you probably know the rest of this story. It's a tale as old as time. You should see the other guy. Come here and take a look at this. Oh my gosh, I keep forgetting I have to carry all this weight, and the relationship in my back is killing me now. Okay, so maybe you think I'm being a little bit dramatic, and all I have to say is, nah, it broke my grass chute, it bent the bolt, it split the deck. The worst of it is, shouldn't do that. It's purely speculation as to the sequence of events that led up to this, but let's just assume that somebody ran over something they shouldn't have with a lawnmower, twirling around at 500,000 miles per hour, and then sending that blade into the side of a mowing deck. Just a theory. What I can see is that the spindle is, I don't know yet. The deck is split, which doesn't really bother me all that much. In order for me to finish my yard, which it's raining now, so it's fine. But what I do need to do is get the deck off, pull it out, and kind of see exactly what's wrong. It's still a mystery. Anyway, since I had inherited this mower from a family friend who passed away, this is going to be the very first time that I've had the mowing deck off of it, and it'll give us a good opportunity to look around. Not my first time working on a mower. It seems that I'm always working on mowers when I'm not working on cars or other things, and when at all possible, I try to avoid it. Anywho, get the mowing deck off, because that's step one. All right. I got my needle nose bendy boys and this thing and prison shank. I usually have a couple cotter pins or something stuffed right back in these areas. It needs to usually unhook from up here somewhere and drops down and slides off after you get the belt loose. So pretty straightforward and simple on most tractors. The hardest part usually is getting your hands in there. Oh, that disappeared. That's good. So, hey, there's that pen that I thought was going to be gone forever. Sure, that's a good place for it. Well, this is where we have some problems. Oh, yeah. Well, I see something already. Right where my finger is, it broke the shield. Not a big deal. And, yep, that too. So let me get the shield off. It looks to be about, that big? I don't know, what is that? Half inch? You know, I wouldn't be too far behind you to hate on the Walmarts, but this $20 through socket set was a pretty good investment. Probably one of my most used tools around the garage. Oh, okay. See that? It's fine, I'm not too worried about that. Get that out of the way. No, listen. I shouldn't do that. I think we're gonna have to flip it over, take a look on the other side, but I already see that either we sheared, broke, and or misplaced 3 of the 4 bolts that hold the spindle to the deck. So I might take this pulley off first. Not sure if the old Ryobi's going to be able to do it, but I guess we'll find out. Nope. Yeah, perfect. First shot. Shaft's okay, it looks like. I'm actually surprised that these ears did not break. We're going to have to flip it now. Alright, let's take a look. The bearing seems okay. Doesn't look cracked. no, it's not cracked. This is where the blade came in contact with the top of the mowing deck and then ultimately split it. It's better than my foot. That's all I gotta say. Let's take this to the bench to see if the threads are okay. I want to be sure that the threads didn't get all screwed up, and I can't quite tell. Ooh, that one feels a little funky. See that? No, that does feel weird. Let's see here. Are they all that way? Ooh, that does not feel right. Or is it the bolt? Uh-oh. Now it's stuck. That one doesn't feel as bad. Let's see this one. Ooh, no. It's hard to see, but can you tell that hole is kind of oblong? This one doesn't look too bad. Oh well. Maybe I spoke too soon. Look at that. Okay. Ooh, that one feels funky too. Well, oh, it's stuck. No. Uh-oh, there we go. So, we have one that's okay. 3 of the 4 holes in the spindle and threads are, well, they're not so great. I don't know the thread pitch of this bolt. There it is. I can't read you. 18. 5/16, 18. Does not feel like it wants to go. That does not feel good. It almost wants to go, and then it's just binding up. I wonder if the bolt's messed up too, and I just can't tell. Normally I would not tap with a drill, but it's fine. First, let me see if I have any grade 5. I'd rather not use my grade 8 bolts. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, there it goes. It's a little better. That's fine. That might do it. Got a couple split washers here that hopefully will help out. We'll see. Well, one final test. See if it does anything.